I am Bhavish Kapoor and this is my first video on the channel Physics Tutorials with BK. This is the acronym of Bhavish Kapoor, and here I will be tutoring you on the best physics lessons of both classes 11th and 12th, and here I will cover the lessons of all the contents covered in the NCERT, and I will be helping you with all the illustrations, examples, in-text questions and the examples and exercises after the lesson ends. So be prepared, I will be covering all the contents and topics so you can get the best tutorials and lessons in these videos. There will be two series, of one on class 11th and the other on class 12th, and you will be find very interesting and relevant for your exam preparation, because after this you have the clear concepts and fundamentals to be covered, and you will be surprised to know the examples I will be giving in the videos. So be prepared, because only you know your potential. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and share this video if you like my videos going on. Thank you.